Hello hackers, welcome back to Setup and Test, the place where we make cybersecurity easy and practical. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Metasploitable 2 on VirtualBox step by step. Metasploitable 2 is a purposely vulnerable machine which is designed for practicing ethical hacking, penetration testing, and security research. Or if you want to build your hacking lab for to prepare on any certifications like OSCP or CH or PJPT or PNPT. So this lab can help you. This setup is a must-have. So without wasting any time, let's dive right in. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to install VirtualBox. For that, go to the browser and go to virtualbox.org, and you will land into the main page of VirtualBox and navigate to downloads. And here you can see the platform packages that we have for Windows, Mac OS, Mac Intel host, and Mac Silicon host. This is the chipset. You need to choose as per it, and we have the Linux distributions and Solaris and Solaris 11 IPS host. But here we are focusing only on Windows host and Linux distribution. We ever have the operating system Windows. You can directly click on this link. It will download automatic. The same way for Linux distributions, do not click here. Just go to this website, Kali.org documentation on installing VirtualBox and Kali HackerBox. What we do is go all the way down, and then you see the setup here. Just copy this command and paste it to your terminal. But when you can use the VirtualBox on a Kali machine is when you have a dual boot on your PC, Windows and the Kali Linux. If you have two OS systems which is running on, you must and should install the Kali Linux and make it as a dual boot. So while booting, choose the Kali Linux. After that, you will land into the page of Kali Linux, and then you can just paste this command, copy it, the setup, and then paste it, and it will automatically install. And then you can run VirtualBox. As you can see here, VirtualBox is run. So before that, let me check some things. Okay, by default, when you open the VirtualBox, this is how it looks. So if you go to File, Preferences, you can also see the machines you can add direct. If you go to Files, the main page, what we need to play is Tools. We'll talk about the Extension Pack Manager when we have Wi-Fi adapter settings, because if you want to plug in any readable data devices, that you need the extension package that can help you to recognize to the VirtualBox from your USB port. Apart of that, let's go to the tools, and then we have the network adapter, where you have to create your network adapter to the system, to the VirtualBox. First, we'll go with the NAT network. It can help you to create a NAT adapter network, but it won't help you to communicate with your Kali Linux machine or with your Windows operating system. So, and also it is very dangerous to give NAT adapter settings to your Metasploitable 2 machine, because it will expose to the internet. For any vulnerability, somebody can easily hack your system and then also exfiltrate all your data, including your Kali Linux machine. So be prepared for this. Never choose NAT network for your lab environment. Only choose host-only networks. I will show you how to set up. Let us go to again to the browser and go to type just Metasploitable 2, and then it will see Metasploitable 2, and it will take you to the first link, Rapid7. Click on it, and you will be having the two links to download this. Sorry, let's go to Metasploitable 2. Yes, so you will be having the two links to download. The Metasploitable 2 is available at rapid7.com website. These are the people who build this vulnerable machine, and we have surgefork.net sourcefork.net. You can also download it from here. The file size will be around 850 MB to 1 gigabit. After you download, extract it. So I already downloaded on my machine. You can see it here, and then I extract it. After it extract, it will create a file. In this file, you can see NVRAM or VMDK file .vmsd. The important one is VMDK. I will show you how to set up now on VirtualBox. So now let's go to the VirtualBox here. Go to the machine. Okay, let me open from beginning. Go to your terminal, type VirtualBox, enter. and then go to machine, click new, give a name, Metasploitable 2, and then do not worry about ISO image. We do not have any ISO image. We have virtual machine direct, the Metasploitable 2. Type here, choose Linux, and then version. If you're not sure, just go down all the way, choose other Linux 32, and click next. What is wrong? Okay, next. And then I will choose the RAM here, 512 MB. That's enough for Metasploitable 2. Add one CPU processor is okay. Click next. Here is the main path. So VMDK file is the virtual hard disk file. You can just choose the existing one. Go to your file, the place where you downloaded and extracted the Metasploitable 2. In my case, this is here, and I put it on download folder, and then choose VMDK file, and then click open, and choose, click next, and finish. Do not start the machine at all. Now what we have to do is, as I explained, go to files, go to tools, go to network manager, and create your host only network with this. Make sure you always enable a DSCP for this. Yeah, cool. So this is your adapter. The adapter name is VBox Net 0 DSCP server. Okay, this is done, and then click apply. So after this, go to Metasploitable machine, go to settings, and direct to the network, and choose here host only adapter, and by default it will take directly from the adapter that you created. You can see here VBoxnet under host only. So let me go ahead there. Yes, you can choose host only adapter and VBoxnet. Advanced, do not worry, just close it. Allow the promiscuous mode, I will show you why, and then click OK, and then start. So it will take some time to boot up the machine. Yeah, it's almost done. It's almost done. We'll wait for a few seconds. It is done. Okay, it is done. So let me give you a quick summary on this. First, you need to go to browser and download your VirtualBox as per your operating system. Choose the platform packages from here. If it is Windows, you can download it directly from here. If it is Linux distribution like mine, similar to this, you can go to the documentation here and just select this and paste it to the terminal. It will directly install all of the packages which belongs to the VirtualBox, and you can use VirtualBox syntax to open the VirtualBox. And here we are. This is the VirtualBox environment, and then you go to the new, as I show you, choose the name, and then choose the type, and then go next, and then choose the VMDK file. Make sure you always create the network manager from the host only network so that it can give access to communicate in between your VirtualBox adapter and your Linux Kali Linux machine. So to test this, let's run a net discovery to find our host. We'll start net discover, and let's wait for a few seconds. So it is almost done. I think the subnet is 56. We'll find it here right away. So again, I'm telling you, I recommend using host only adapter for a safe lab environment without exposing your vulnerable machine to the internet. So make sure you set host only adapter. Okay, I think we haven't find the machine yet. Let's check here. MSF admin, MSF admin, RPA. Okay, 56.3. We go here, ping 192.168.56.3. Okay, we are good to go. I will do a quick scan to find if it is 56.3. Okay, there you go. This is Metasploitable 2. So we are good to go. When we created a VBox Net 0, what I'm talking about is the network adapter. You can see it here. It is running. So that's all how you can set the Metasploitable practicing machine with your Kali Linux or your Windows. Same procedure for both operating systems. And you have successfully installed Metasploitable 2 on VirtualBox and are now ready to begin your cybersecurity journey. In upcoming videos, I will show you how to exploit vulnerabilities on this particular machine using tools like Metasploit, Nmap, and more. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss those tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share it with your friends who are interested in ethical hacking. This is Shadow Princess, and I will catch you in the next one. Until then, stay curious, stay ethical. Bye bye.